Well, hi, sewing friends. I've had so many of you ask me questions about my new brother Aveener EV1, and I thought today would be a great day that I could take you through all of the amazing features. I gotta tell you that every time I sit down at this machine and use it, I am just blown away by the capability of it and actually also how smart and intuitive it is. I mean, even the other day I was embroidering, and this little tiny, I don't even know if you can see it in the video, there's a little tiny lever here that locks your hoop into place. The machine knew I hadn't put that lock down. Like, it senses everything. I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to give you high level overview. I'm going to show you some of the cool things it can do, and then over the next couple weeks, month or so, I'm going to share even more projects with you because this is like the Ferrari of sewing machines. You guys, it's just, I'm impressed every day by this thing. And I just want to share it with you because it's just so amazing. I'm just so impressed with Brother and what they have done and what they have put together. So let's dive in. Let's get into some fun stuff. So obviously, this thing is massive. This is the full size of it with the embroidery arm attached. This gives you over 70 square inches of workspace. It is the largest in the industry, and you can sew and quilt with the embroidery arm on because it will move automatically. So, I mean, everything is touchscreen. It even talks to you and tells you what to do. Like, it's just so cool. But if you want to go into the sewing module, you just hit sewing. We got to wait. I have to learn to be patient because I need to give the machine time to respond. Okay, so now it's going to tell you.
Embroidery unit will move. Keep your hands, etc. away from the carriage.
Okay, you don't have to listen to that. You can hit OK and it'll stop. But it's just telling you and showing you what it's about to do, which is so smart. So this is how much space I have if I want to leave the embroidery arm on. And if you don't, there's, of course, another regular arm, just like any other regular sewing or quilting machine that you can put on instead. Sometimes I sew with this on, sometimes it's in my way, and I take this arm off and I put this one on instead. There is also, I don't know if you can see it very good, but there's a little table in the back. I'm going to bring you around and show you. So there's even this little table right here that just attaches on. There we go. There's a little lever right here. See how those arms move? So you just grab those and then you attach it and it stays attached. So you even have more room as you're working here. So this is fantastic. And this is totally like portable. The legs collapse down for when you want to store it if you're not using it. I just put it on and I never thought to take it off. The other really cool thing, let me show you, is this tray. So this is the cover, but it's also a tray. So I just leave it open because you can also put tools in here if you need to. And then this is your other spool holder, which you can completely take this off if you want. You can use the spool holder on the machine. But this one, again, is totally portable. So if you're going away on a sewing retreat weekend, you can, it comes with a cover and you can, push everything down. This folds in. I just don't want to break anything. There we go. It folds down and back, and then it comes with a cover. So this is completely enclosed. And then the other really cool thing is right here and here, there's magnets in there that match up with these. So once you put it on your machine, it snaps into place and it's not going to go anywhere. It's not moving. So I love that for my spools of thread. And this allows you to do so many other things like couching. That is on my list of things to try because it's just so cool and it comes with everything that you need. So that's the cover and the tray. And like I said, I just leave it open. Some other things that I want to show you that just, they feel like little things, but the details matter in everything. And I'm telling you, Brother has not let one detail slide. They have thought of absolutely everything. So when you get the Aveener, look at this toolbox that you get with all of your things inside. So there's room in here. I'm just going to make a mess. There's room in here for all of your feet. Now, look at how cool this is. So all your feet are in here, and they're organized by the tray. Like, these are the standard feet for sewing and quilting. And then these are the feet that I might be using for embroidery, free motion, things like that. My couching foot is in there. And then there's another tray here that holds even more feet. And then you've got all this room in here. You've got room for your stitch regulator. That just goes in here. There's room for the dual feed foot, which I've been using. That goes in here, the dual feed foot. We're going to get into this. Do you see that little belt on there? It's just so cool. This is like the best dual feed foot I have ever used. And sometimes I just sew with this on just because it's so great. But there's also like room for all your stuff. So your screwdrivers, your extra needles, your extra things, replacement parts. And then there's these clear little bobbin cases. Let me show you these. You know how your bobbins will come unwound? Because they just do, right? So your bobbins will snap right into this little case. That. You just snap in after you've wound it all up. Pretend there's thread on there. And then there are these little notches. You can just snap them into place, and you can store your wound bobbins in the top of this lid. So there is room for everything in here. So if you go somewhere, you have room for all of your tools. But wait, there's more. I'm not even kidding. Now, I told you the embroidery table comes off, and then you can put the regular table on. Now, this guy, of course, it opens up, and we've got to have room for our chocolate in here, but also these trays fit right inside. They've not wasted any space. This little spot right here, you get another stitch plate. Comes with two, because one is for straight stitch, one is for your other stitches. This snaps right in here. So that stores inside there. They've literally thought of everything. So you can have everything on your machine, or you can have it set aside. And I have this little tiny shelf that I just kind of keep all of my extra stuff on in. So it's just all right near me when I'm using it. So, but if you're traveling and you're going away for a weekend, you can take the machine, you can put everything in here, and you have it all right at your fingertips. So another really amazing feature about this machine is not only do you have all this room to embroider, but the embroidery hoop, biggest in the business. What is this? 11 5/8 by 18 1/4. Look at how big this hoop is. And did you know, because this is a sewing, quilting, embroidery, and upcycling machine, like, you can do everything on this machine, but you can edge to edge quilt up to a king size quilt in the hoop on this machine. And the way it's set up to do it is just so incredible. It's, again, the technology and what is built into this machine is just so smart and user friendly. Like, that is one thing I'm really learning. I've never used a Brother machine. So Brother as a brand is completely new to me. I've never used one. And so I was a little intimidated when I first got it, because I have to relearn everything, and it's all right here. All the instructions and everything you ever need are built into this screen. You can look up anything you need to know. You can go right into the settings. There are 13 pages in here, and it's all very self-explanatory. It's all right in here. Like, setting up the Wi-Fi was easy, and you set up the Wi-Fi because now I can wirelessly send things right from my computer or my phone. They have 2 different apps that you can use, and I can send it right to my machine. I don't need to use a USB. You can have one for sure. Like, it's great to have a USB as a backup. One of those little words are escaping me today. The little USB stick thing that you put in right over here. So yeah, you can use one, but you don't have to. And when I tell you it's an instant transfer, it's instant. Like, by the time I click on my computer, I turn to my machine, it's there. It's all right there at my fingertips. And the customization and everything that you can do within this machine. It's just so incredible. I was able to set up my dual foot so that I can have them do whatever I want. Meaning I can press the heel of the big foot and have it cut my thread. I can have it do a reinforcement stitch. You can set it up to do all the different things that you want it to do. So everything is literally like right at your feet and right at your fingertips. I wanted to bring you closer so we could go through this screen just a little bit as an overview. So anything that you want to do on your machine, not only can you adjust it here, but you can save things to memory. So if we're in, let's just say we're sewing and we are messing around with our needle placement, our stitch length, whatever it might be, you can adjust that all here. Length, width, left or right shift, your tension, you can all set that to memory, and then you can go back and retrieve that. So the next time you're going to straight stitch and you know you needed your needle set at a certain position, you just go into the memory and hit that button and it's all right there for you. There are so many different stitches, but before we get into all of that, let's go back to that main menu. So this is essentially your guide right here. So everything you want to do, I mean, you can change, you can see everything here, and you just scroll through to find what it is you're looking for. Automatic presser foot lift, up, down, press to trim. Like, you can set everything. Dual feed adjustment, free motion, foot height, pivoting height, like all the things. It's all right in here. Multifunction foot controller. So I have mine set for thread cutting and needle position up and down because that's what I use the most. But you have options. You can see all of these options so you can set it up for whatever you want it to be. I mean, the volume of the machine, the light, the screen brightness, the language that you want to speak. You can even change it from millimeters to inches because, well, I don't use millimeters, but a lot of other people do. So you have those options. You can tell it how long you want your screensaver on. I mean, there's so many different things. Colors. Now we're going to get into the projector. Here, this is what it automatically will default to. So if you want your embroidery pointer color to be a different color, well, you can change that right in the settings. And then every time I go on, that will always be yellow or green or whatever color I want it to be. You can even change the pointer shape, background colors. Like, you have control of everything as you need it, and you can change it as you need to. So I don't have a scan and cut yet, but guys, it's on my list. Now that I have gotten into this world of Brother, I'm gonna need the scan and cut. It's happening. I'm gonna make that happen. So anyway, so there's just so much information on here. Frame size, grid, embroidery speed. You can slow it down, you can speed it up, the tension, all the things. It's just all right here at your fingertips.
So that is a brief overview of just some of the settings.
Let's look at the projector. So we're actually going to go into, we're going to go back to our screen here. Now we're going to do embroidery. It just tells you what it's going to do.
The carriage of the embroidery unit.
Okay, so it's moving into place. It's doing its thing. And now it's ready. So now when we go into the embroidery menu, there's all these other menus. And I encourage you, when you get your Brother Aveener, play with it. That is the best advice I can give you. Push the buttons, do the things, check out each menu, go into each one to see. Look at all the things that are in each one. And this is just going to stitch it out. And a tip that a very wise woman named Cheryl gave me was to go into these things and don't just look at the thumbnail. What you want to do is, if you see something and you're not quite sure what does that really look like, you want to open it up on the screen, because this does not show you the detail. You might look at that and go, that's okay. So let's hit set and then look. Like, you can see it, but if you want to see more, you can increase the size of how big you want to see it on the screen. And you can even touch that little hand, and that lets you move it around so you can see everything. And you can see that's really an adorable design. Isn't that just so cute? You can also set your thread brand. So I'm using Isacord thread. but you can tell it whatever thread brand you want to use, and it will tell you the colors and the numbers that you need in that brand that you have. And there's a ton to choose from. But what I wanted to show you here was how cool this projector is. So if you press the projector button, oh, it wants a hoop. When you load your embroidery hoop, you just slide it into this carriage here and then press that down because it will tell you if that's still up. Okay, so now I'm going to hit embroidery on the machine. And now I'm going to hit projection. Projector is turning on. And it's going to flash and blink because of the LED lighting. I'm sorry about that, but we're going to do our best. I have to hit OK. Remember, you have to hit OK. Okay, so now, oh, the flashing is so terrible. I apologize. Sometimes cameras just do that when there's LED lighting, but I promise you, this is not flashing in real life. It's just flashing for the camera. But I mean, this is a whole other lesson that we're going to do, and I'm going to share with you guys more. But I can control where the placement of my design is right here. I mean, I can do it over on the screen, but I can also do it right here by clicking these arrows. Can you see it? I know it's probably hard with the blinking, but it's moving over, up. I can adjust the placement wherever I want. I can move this box. I can make this box smaller so that it's not in the way of your design. I can also go over to my computer on the screen and I can just move it with my finger as well. So then you see exactly where the placement of your image is going to be. So if you're trying to line something up, you've got it right here on your projector so you can see exactly where it is on whatever it is you're embroidering. So that's just a little high level overview of just, I didn't even touch what this machine can really do. There's just so much. And like I said, I'm going to be coming back to give you guys more information, more demos. So if there's something specific you want to know about this machine, leave it in the comments and I will do my best to get back to you and answer those questions. And what else do you want to learn about the Brother Aveener EV1? Because this is such an incredible piece of equipment. Like, this is just so amazing. I also want to let you know there are over 1,800 embroidery stitches built into the machine. I didn't even get into yet what you can do in my design center. You have the capabilities to do all of your own designing right here without needing software, without needing a computer. You have total control, and even the designs and the stitches that are built into the machine, you can even control some of those as well. Like, there was a stitch I was doing that was a scalloped edge, and I was doing it on the edge of a zipper the other day. Well, when I got to the other side, I'm like, well, that's not going to look right. I could flip the stitch. One button, I can flip it over, and it does it. It's just so amazing. There are over 800 sewing stitches built in for sewing and quilting. There are over 31 fonts right here. You can choose fonts. You can do applique. You can do applique with the push of one button. There are also over 200 Disney characters built into this machine. Right here is our cute little Disney Pixar screen.
And there are so many more on the Artspira app that you can use right from your phone.
If you're a Disney fan like I am, you guys, you have so many Disney things that you can use, and it's just so much fun. You've got Mickey. I mean, this goes on and on. You just scroll through each category of all the different Disney characters. So I encourage you, when you get this out of the box, take it out, set it up, and let yourself just sit and have some fun, because this will be the last machine you'll ever need to own. It can do everything and more. It's just so incredible. And so far, all that I've done with it, I'm impressed with the stitching. Like, it's just so smooth. It's so smart and intelligent. The embroidery is flawless, and it's fast, and it's quiet. My other embroidery machine, it's a little bit noisy sometimes, but this one, I can be sitting right next to it and have a conversation, and it's like, it's on, but you know what I mean? Like, it's so much quieter, and the speed is incredible. And then the quality also is just so amazing. So I'm going to be back. So let me know below what else you want to learn about the Aveener EV1, because I want to show you guys all that I can, because this is just the most incredible machine truly I have ever used in my life.